Hey, Wayne here from Top 360. One of my friends asked me what is an amazing phone that I can use to view my cooking videos and start my YouTube channel. And the first phone that came to me was the A31. There's a reason behind this. The A31 looks splendid. I've seen it before, but we're going to be doing an unboxing and we're going to be looking at the camera a little bit and see why I recommend the A31 if you're starting your own little YouTube, and especially if you're looking at food and those colors and those richness. This is a phone that you're going to love. Let's take a look inside the box. The first thing I notice after holding the phone is that it feels a little bit heavy, and this might have something to do with that big 5000 milliamp battery. That's outstanding because not even the A51 has such a nice battery. The phone looks spectacular, and of course, you get a case. Not all the A series has a case. I don't know why that is so. Again, the screen looks very beautiful. This is an AMOLED display, and I'm very happy that a phone of this price range has such a nice display. You're going to love entertainment and videos on this phone. Text is going to look rich and beautiful, and that is something that you can really appreciate about the Samsung Galaxy A31. Now let's take a look at those awesome cameras. Four cameras at the back. A 48 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel depth camera for those live focus, of course that 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 20 megapixel front camera. All in all, these cameras will guarantee very good photographs for the price that you're getting. Let's take a look at videos. This is actual video using the Samsung Galaxy A31. You're going to need to hold the camera steady because there's no image stabilization. Don't let it get in the way of your creativity. The camera is still awesome and colors look vibrant and bright. As promised, I'm going to show you quite a few things about the camera. Don't be afraid to go inside and experiment. Look at wide angles, look at live shots, look at how to adjust the screen size, the image size. All these things can be adjusted, and all these things will make great photos. For example, look at this live shot that I'm going to be adjusting and taking. Nice, isn't it? A quick way to bring out the artist in you. The A31 definitely has some really cool options for great photographs. For food lovers like my friend, here's how to access the dedicated food mode. You want to go into more on the right hand corner of the screen once you enter camera. You see some options and you click the food setting, you'll realize that the images tend to jump right at you. Colors look more vibrant and it's definitely dedicated to food. For indoor videos, you'll need a fair amount of lighting because there's no dedicated night mode, which is a little disappointing. However, you have to remember this is a budget phone. Even without night mode, I was still impressed at how the A31 handled itself in low light conditions. So yes, you'll need lighting, but it doesn't have to be big floodlights. So videos will definitely look good. I have no problem using and viewing videos. I had no problem creating videos in poorly lit conditions, and indoors will look great. Cooking videos are going to look wonderful on the A31. On the other side of the spectrum, in bright conditions, the A31 quickly made adjustments to make great photos. Now let's take a look at games. The A31 sports a quad-core processor, a MediaTek Helio P65 processor. Not a bad processor for playing games, and you're going to enjoy applications on the A31. Of course, you're not going to be running the highest of the highest settings, but most games will play without hiccups. You'll also enjoy smooth graphics, and just remember that 6.4-inch AMOLED display is going to look so sweet. To conclude, the A31 package is awesome in a stunning design. Awesome camera, awesome phone, awesome battery life. There's just lots of things to love with the Samsung Galaxy A31.
In a world where awesome phones are very expensive, the A31 offers an awesome phone with an awesome price. It's definitely worth looking into if you want to be expressive and if you want to create memories, not just for yourself, but for others. A31.